In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get push notifications on Google Calendar. If you've been missing reminders, this walkthrough will help you turn on true push alerts so your events appear as timely pop-ups, not just emails buried in your inbox. We'll set them up in Google Calendar and make sure your browser is allowed to show them. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing in. From the main calendar view, look at the top right for the small gear icon. Click that, then choose Settings. On the left side, you'll see a list of your calendars. Pick the specific calendar you want to receive push notifications from. If you use multiple calendars, it's worth checking each one you care about because notifications are set per calendar. In that calendar settings, scroll to the section labeled Event Notifications. This is where you control how alerts are delivered. Make sure the delivery method is set to notification, not email. Notifications create a real-time banner or alert on your device. Emails are just messages sent to your inbox and won't pop up automatically. Now choose the timing that works for you. The default is 10 minutes before an event, which is a good starting point, but you can change the number and the unit to minutes, hours, or days. Consider your workflow. Maybe you want a reminder the day before to prepare, and another closer to the start time. Adjusting the timing here affects events on this calendar going forward, and you can still customize individual events later if needed. With calendar configured, let's confirm your browser is allowed to show those alerts. Look to the left of the address bar and click the site information icon, usually a small lock. In the panel that opens, find notifications and set it to allow or toggle it on. This permission is essential. Without it, your browser will silently block alerts even if calendar is set up correctly. That's the full setup. A few quick tips to keep things consistent. If you don't see alerts after enabling everything, check your computer's notification center and make sure Do Not Disturb or focus modes aren't hiding them. On Windows, Focus Assist can block notifications. On macOS, Do Not Disturb or Focus can do the same. And if you also rely on the Google Calendar mobile app, push alerts on your phone are controlled by the app and your phone's notification settings. So ensure those are enabled there as well. You're all set. With notifications turned on in Google Calendar and allowed in your browser, you'll get timely nudges for meetings, deadlines, and plans right when you